The United States Department of Agriculture has updated its USDA hardiness zone maps. Now, what does that mean? Well, these were first introduced in 1938 by Henry Wallace, the then Secretary of Agriculture for the United States. And what it did was break the United States up into 10 zones. And what the hardiness zone covers is those average minimum temperatures for those areas. So of course, further north, you're going to be in the upper zones from zones 1 to 7, and further south, we're going to be more 7 to 10. Now in Louisiana, we actually fall into zones 8 through 10. Now these increments are 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the number, but if you look at the A or the B, that actually denotes a 5-degree temperature change. So in Louisiana, we have been rezoned to 8B in northern Louisiana and 10A in the coastal area of Louisiana. Those temperatures are the average minimum temperatures, and that means that when you're selecting plants, that you're going to select those that are hardy to that zone. You do not want to select plants that are hardy to zone 1 because they're not going to do well here in Louisiana where it gets really hot. So when you're looking for plants to purchase, check those tags. We want to be selecting ones. Middle of Louisiana is actually in the zone 9 area. So this will tell us our average minimum temps, what those plants are hardy to, and that way we're making good selections for the landscape based on those average minimum temperatures. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.